It's almost Christmas, but I haven't started putting up my decorations. But first things first, I need to apply a lot of lip balm on my lips since this is so crackling dry because of the very cold weather right now. So I want you to come with me. Let's go Christmas decor shopping here at Daiso. You would be amazed at how much Christmas decors they have on display this year. I myself was surprised when I saw it. Ooh, this is so cute and adorable. Look how cute Santa is. So perfect to hang on your Christmas tree. And oh, I haven't seen this one before. Such a cute decor, like for an accent on your table or whatnot. So pretty. Honestly, I just came here to get some few pieces because I already have some decors from the past years. But my God, I almost cannot stop myself buying this one because look how adorable these figurines are. And this tree, oh, Rookie stopped me when he said, "No, you don't need this one. Look how adorable this Santa is. You can hang it like on your tree, and this lantern, though, so cute. This one is 200 and only, and it is battery operated, but it's just a perfect light up on your decor on your table. And also wanted to get this one because I need Christmas lights, definitely for sure. And this one is only 300 yen, 40 lights. Amazing! They do not only sell like Christmas decors, but you could also find some party needs like this balloon, the paper plates, and yeah, so a lot of garlands that are available to choose from right now. And oh my god, this one really is very memorable to me because one time I brought this to the Philippines and it was not allowed. So while we are at the airport, my name was called and I was like, oh my god, very nervous because why is my name is being called? So that is the reason why the snow fake snow spray. Like I said, I just needed a very few things from Daiso, and these are the ones that I got because I already have one before from the previous Christmas, so I don't want to add up a lot of things because it will just collect dust. And yeah, everything was still good from before. So here's my tree. I'm finished. I'm so happy with this tree. Look how pretty. Uh oh, that acorn though. I am so proud of this tree, and it's only from Daiso. Yeah, you can really never beat products from Daiso, guys. Even though it is just 100 yen store, but still you can find a lot of good things from there. You would never guess that this Christmas lights are from Daiso. I just really love Daiso. I cannot stress that enough. So this is our tree with all its sparkling lights that is just from this. All these decors, guys, are from the 100 yen store. I tell you, you can really find some treasures there. You don't need to go to a very expensive store just to decorate for Christmas. It's the Christmas spirit that is important. Merry Christmas, everybody!